In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Call Tracker Multi for HubSpot CRM. This guide will walk you through connecting this useful tool to your HubSpot account, allowing you to seamlessly track calls and enhance your CRM experience. Let's get started by navigating to your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where a variety of options are available to customize your HubSpot experience. Next, look for the section labeled Integrations. This is where you'll manage all your connected apps. Click on Integrations to proceed. Now, within this section, you'll see another option called Connected Apps. Select this to view any apps that are currently linked to your HubSpot account. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner once again for the option to Add more connections. This feature is essential for integrating new tools like our call tracker into your HubSpot ecosystem. Click on Add more connections to open a search bar. In the search bar, type in Call Tracker. This will help you locate the specific tool you need to integrate. HubSpot will display a list of available call tracking applications. Review the list and choose your preferred call tracker. Upon selecting a call tracker, follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to your HubSpot account. This process typically involves authorizing the connection and granting necessary permissions to ensure seamless communication between the two platforms. These steps are straightforward and generally guided by HubSpot, so you should find it quite intuitive. Once the integration is complete, your call tracker will be fully operational within HubSpot. This means you can now track calls directly through your CRM, improving your team's ability to gather data and insights from customer interactions. This integration is especially beneficial for sales teams looking to enhance their understanding of client communications and manage their relationships more effectively. Remember, integrating tools like Call Tracker into HubSpot not only streamlines your workflow, but also provides valuable analytics that can be used to refine your business strategies. With this setup, managing your calls and client interactions becomes much more efficient, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, building strong, lasting relationships with your clients. That wraps up our tutorial on using Call Tracker Multi for HubSpot CRM. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your HubSpot experience. Have a great day!